This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a small set of designs. Focus on 3-6 icons so you finish quickly. Once sketched, scan or photograph at 300 dpi to preserve crisp lines and make sure lighting is even. Open your file in a basic editor, adjust contrast and clean stray marks. Then vector trace or redraw cleaner lines using simple shapes. This reduces jagged edges when printing. Finally, arrange your stickers on a sheet with 3-5 mm spacing to allow cutting margin. Now you refine colors and line weight to hit that cute, kawaii vibe. Choose flat pastels, keep outlines bold, and limit details so prints stay crisp. Once done, set up your page layout. 2 columns usually fit sticker paper well. Align designs to a 5 mm grid and add a 2-3 mm bleed for cutting. Export at actual print size, 300 dpi, PDF, or PNG. Make a test print on plain paper. Check scale, colors, and cutting guides before using expensive sticker stock. Print your finalized sheet on recommended sticker paper. Choose matte for markers, glossy for inkjet shine. Once printed, let ink dry fully. A few minutes for pigment inks, longer for dye inks, then cut using scissors or a craft knife guided by your margins. If you want durable stickers, laminate or apply a clear spray sealant, making sure to test one. If colors smudge or run, switch to pigment ink or increase print resolution, and make sure paper feed settings match the stock thickness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.